8844. What is the minimum radius for an aircraft wire bundle? A. 10 times the outside diameter of the bundle. B. 5 times the outside diameter of the bundle. C. 15 times the outside diameter of the bundle. The correct answer is A. It is recommended to avoid bending wire bundles with a bend radius less than 10 times the outside diameter of the bundle. Maintaining a minimum bend radius ensures the integrity and longevity of the wires within the bundle. By adhering to this guideline, excessive stress, strain, and potential damage to the wires, such as kinks or breaks, can be prevented. Careful attention to proper bending practices helps to maintain the reliability and performance of wire bundles in various applications. 8845. When approved, splices may be used to repair manufactured harnesses or installed wiring. The maximum number of splices permitted between any two connectors is A1, B2, C3. The correct answer is A. When approved for use, splices are generally limited to a maximum of one splice between any two connectors. This limitation helps maintain the integrity and reliability of the electrical connections by minimizing potential points of failure or signal degradation. It is important to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and applicable regulations when making splices in aircraft wiring to ensure proper installation and compliance with safety standards. 8846. Electrical connectors used in aircraft assemblies should meet which of the following? A. Parts Manufacturer Approval, PMA. B. Military Specifications, MS. C. Society of Specifications, SES. The correct answer is B. Military Specifications, MS, provide detailed requirements and standards for various components used in military and aerospace applications, including electrical connectors. These specifications ensure that the connectors meet the necessary performance, quality, and safety standards required for use in aircraft. Compliance with the appropriate military specifications helps ensure the reliability and compatibility of the connectors with other components and systems in the aircraft. 8847. The most common method of attaching a pin or socket to an individual wire in an MS connector is by A. Crimping. B. Soldering. C. Crimping and soldering. The correct answer is A. The most common method of attaching a pin or socket to an individual wire in an MS connector is through crimping. Crimping involves using a specialized tool to compress and deform the metal barrel of the connector around the wire, creating a secure and reliable electrical connection. Crimping is preferred over soldering in many aircraft applications because it provides a mechanically strong and gas-tight connection that is resistant to vibration and thermal cycling. Soldering is typically not used for attaching pins or sockets in MS connectors due to the potential for weakening the wire and introducing solder joint failures in high-stress environments. 8848. The pin section of an N/MS connector is normally installed on A. The power supply side of a circuit. B. The ground side of a circuit. C. Either side of a circuit, makes no difference. The correct answer is B. For optimal safety and to minimize the risk of a short circuit between a connector and ground, the pin section of an N/MS connector should be installed on the ground side of a circuit, while the socket should be on the hot side. This arrangement ensures that the connection between the connector and ground is minimized, reducing the potential for unwanted electrical contact and potential short circuits. By following this configuration, the risk of electrical hazards or malfunctions due to unintended grounding is significantly reduced, enhancing the overall reliability and safety of the circuit.